You've been using Peerwise for part of your studies?
Yes, I have. Last semester I did a project called the Science Education Placement, which you can take in lieu of a 20 credit lab project. And what I did was to introduce Peerwise into a local secondary school to 7 physics classes, and we monitored their usage over a period of about 3 weeks. So we looked at when they were using it and whether they needed to be encouraged to use it and to what extent they would get involved on their own initiative, and certainly found some interesting results.
What sort of age groups of students were these?
It was from ages 14 to 18.
And did they need any help to use the system?
No, in general, I think probably anyone who can use so-called Web 2.0, Facebook, Flickr, anything like that can very easily use Peerwise, and certainly all of these children could do that.
And how did they react to this type of task?
I think most of them were quite enthusiastic. I was introducing it to them sort of on an interactive whiteboard and showing them the interface, and there were these murmurs going around the class. Can we start now? Can we do it now? They were very enthusiastic to start using it.
And did the teachers think that there was an improvement in their understanding of the subject?
It's quite difficult to quantify that because it only lasted for 3 weeks. I think one of the major effects that the teachers saw and that they commented on, apart from the enjoyment that the students derived from Peerwise, was actually the fact that some of the students in classes who wouldn't normally be participating, wouldn't normally have their hands up, might be avoiding the teacher's gaze a little bit. When it came to Peerwise, they were, because it's an anonymous environment, they felt really free to contribute, and I gave out little prizes at the end of people who had contributed the most, and it was actually really quite gratifying to be able to give a prize to someone who was quite shy in class and didn't really participate in classes, but online, in the Peerwise environment, they'd answered loads of questions and wrote some quite amusing ones, and I think people really appreciated their contribution.
That's very exciting. Thank you very much indeed.
Okay, thank you.